Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, Texas, 806-374-1033. If you need a lightweight truck, because you get paid by the ton for what you do, our stock number CHR2601 is the truck for you. It's a 2017 113 Cascadia, DD13 450 horse, 10-speed manual, 342 rear ends. This truck's got 441,745 miles on it, sitting on aluminum wheels and a brand new set of Goodyear tires all the way around. Like I said, 10-speed manual, small bunk, plenty of storage. It comes with 1 year select warranty, 60 days buyer's assurance. It's available at Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, 2210 Whitaker Road, exit 74, right off Interstate 40. 806-374-1033. Stock number CHR2601.